Big Rod. Yo, what's up TikTok? What's up YouTube? What's up Carolina? Good to see you. I'm coffeeed up. I'm on the coughs at 11 a.m. This is my second coffee. Don't sleep on the daytime coffees, son. What up? Oh, what up, Zeke? Young Bolton. Bolton left, bro. Sarah left. Let's have a look over here. Wow. Gold's doing all sorts of shit. Yeah, what's happening, you guys? What's happening? So let's have a look here. This is pretty interesting. You know what, man? Let's do this. Can I do something here in the YouTube chat? Let me have a look. What do we look like? If you come into the market for the London Open session today and you see what's presented on gold, you have two biases, right? And you'll be surprised what people actually think. Right? You'll be surprised on what people actually think. I'm just going to put this poll in the chat if you guys want to let me know what you think. If you guys let me know what you think. Just 1 to 2 coffees a day. 1 to 2 coffees a day. That's all that you got to do. You know, it's interesting. I put buy and sell polls in the chat sometimes, and typically it's pretty even, which just goes to show like everyone's looking at the market differently. Like everyone looks at this shit differently. Which exchange? I don't know, but this is gold. Let's do a bit of analysis, right? Let's have a little look here. Sell, Paul, love you. I fucking love you. How can you buy against it? I know. Right? Like the clear thing to say would be, well, the market's moving down, so I'll just sell. Like, can it move back up and can a buy opportunity present? Yes, but probabilistically speaking, the market's moving down, so I want to sell with that. Look, see how in the chat it's pretty even? It's like 50-50 nearly. It's always like that. People are always like, I think everyone looks at the market differently, right? It's crazy. Crazy. So weird, that concept. Wow, look at all these red candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red 4-hour candles in a row. Got NQ over here as well. And I've also got I've got two 50k top step accounts here that I just got. For fun. Study brown. So let's do a bit of analysis here. I'll tell you what I'm looking at here, you guys, because I've got something in my mind. Yeah, NQ is very clean to the downside. What up, Dillawa? 30 minute. So the 1 hour is all red as well. 30 minutes this. 15 is this. Obviously, I'm going to mark this level as a break up, sells below if we get a closure. Right, it's pretty obvious. Anybody that's been in the stream for a while knows that. Alternatively, if the market can like have a pullback and then a continuation, I can look for a type 2 sell around here on the way down as well. You know, sometimes, and this used to happen quite a lot last year, you could get a type 2 and then a continuation, then you get the breakout and you can actually add to your position. So you can get 2 trades in one. Call that the bang bang banana setup. Call that the double fucking KFC double Whopper meal. Bro, last few weeks have been shit. Yeah, it's been a bit weird. Oh, your live is not eligible for recommendation search results because it contains unoriginal and reproduce. Hey, you guys on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. If you want to come over to the live stream on YouTube, just type my TikTok name into YouTube. You'll see that I'm live. I'm going to close this TikTok live down and I'll see you over there on YouTube. Daniel Holmes trades live on YouTube right now. Alright, I'll come back to TikTok later. Potentially. TikTok is such a piece of shit, like, it's not even funny. How's your day? My day's alright. This is the best part of my day. Type 3 buy. FVG on the yearly candle, nice. Yeah, nice. I mean, NQ, what are you going to do with NQ, right? We've got obviously super clean traffic. Break below this level had a line. I don't know. I don't really care too much about NQ today. YouTube is lagging. No. Is it really? What up, Enid? Nah, TikTok does allow streaming. Lag. Fuck, man. For real? I wonder why. I wonder why. No, just delay. Oh. Is it lagging? I don't know. That's what you guys are saying. It's good now. Nothing wrong with YouTube for me. Okay, sick. It shouldn't be lagging. It's buffering a lot. It's buffering a lot. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just your face. So yeah, I've got a Top Step account over here as well, and you know, I'll chip away on that, and I'll chip away on this, and we'll all be good. We'll be cheering. But let's focus on gold. Like, if we can get some potential type 2 here, I think it'd be a good play. I want to sell gold today. I don't like the idea of buying gold because I'm buying up into all this shit. Okay, sweet. There's nothing wrong. Yeah, I don't want to buy up into all this shit. We've got a bit of support here on the 30. I could see price just smashing through that now. Yeah, I could see price smashing through that. If this closes similar to this, let's have a look at this as a potential type 2. What? You know, you haven't got much range here. That's the issue. You haven't got much range. That's the only issue. But we'll see. What's the 4 hour look like on Forex? So look at this, you know, every time we've come up to these, there's like these 4 peaks here on gold. Reject, reject, reject. So heavy rejection coming over here, coming in. This 4 hour candle that's open now hasn't even created a top wick, and that was 2 hours ago. Got a dub in the Asia sesh, great setup, hope you caught it. Oh, Asia sesh. We streamed Asia this morning. This morning on Asia on gold, there was no volume and then an impulse move. No, there was no play here for us on gold. This was kind of like Asia here, right? And then you got this big candle that just dropped out. It didn't even break, because I was waiting for a break below this level. Didn't really happen, it just dropped. You guys, it's Thursday. I've only taken 1 trade this week, but that's one, because the market's been like just not presenting many opportunities, and 2, I actually haven't been on the charts that much. I've been very busy here in Dubai. Habibi! And try telling a new trader to the game that, hey, sometimes you're not going to be able to take a trade for a couple of days. They'll lose their mind. But you'll be like, oh no, but you'll still rock up to the chart and look for a trade, but you just won't take it. Like nothing will come. And they'll be like, nah, dude, if I'm sitting in front of the charts for 2 hours, I'm taking a trade. It's like, no, bro. That's not the game we're playing. Just go to the casino for that. How's life going in Dubai? Life in Dubai, it's good. It is very good. It's a bit overwhelming. Like, this week's been a bit overwhelming, I'll be brutally honest. Just so much to do, and I'm doing it all by myself. I'm doing all this shit solo, so it's a fucking mission, man. Is a mission, but it's all good. It is all good. I have to remember to remain like grateful, and because the other day, yesterday, I started getting a negative mindset, and I'm like, Just went straight to the gym. I'm like, bro, don't start this shit. Don't start this shit. There's nothing to be negative about. Do you check the GLD chart? What's GLD? No. Yeah, that's right. Dilawar for sure. Any news today? I think there's PMI tonight. Yeah. A bit later on. Yeah, nah, yeah. It's just sometimes the mind can play tricks. Especially in the past. Like I said, I've only found success in the last year or two in trading and life in general. So I've spent 32 years struggling mentally, physically, and financially. And then when you finally get to where you've always wanted to be, old habits die hard. Old thinking habits can kind of try and creep their way back in. Sometimes there's comfort in struggle. It feels familiar. Subconsciously. But yeah, here we are. Let's see if we can get a closure below. Let's see if we can get a Sea Dog below. Wow, 63% of people are buying, man. That's crazy. 9 to 5 demons creep back in, yeah. Just keep yourself, yeah, that's the key. I'm always busy is ultra key. Yeah, we'll definitely organize a Dubai meetup soon for sure. Yeah, we'll organize a Dubai meetup for sure. Trade with the trend. Trade with Trenbuterol. So yeah, I'll see if I can full margin a couple trades over here on Combine to get these passed. I mean, not full margin. Look at young Mitch here in the... Anyone watch on my YouTube channel, I did a podcast with one of my guys here in the mentorship, Mitch. Beautiful dashboard here on a couple of his Combine accounts here. Good amount of trades, good amount of size, really nice stuff. And anyone interested in joining this free Discord as well, I'll throw this in the chat. I'll throw the free Discord invite in the chat. There you go, I'll pin it. You're getting pinned, son. But yeah, how have you guys gone this week? Who's green, who's red, who's in between? Or are you like me and have taken fuck all trades? It's been an interesting week. Every week in the market's interesting, actually. Green, nice. W week, beautiful. Okay, break even better. Well, I guess it's not better, but it's really good. B, yep. Yeah, nice, Paul. That's right, Josh. Yep, that's definitely a dub. But green after a blown. All right, nice. Back on the horse. That's the main thing. L. Good stuff. No one likes to say L's, especially if you're in any Discord community. It's very rare that someone posts their L's. But the reality is everyone's losing here every day. Hey guys, can we show some L's? Like, let's get some L's in the chat. Drop some fucking L's in the chat, bro. Yeah, so I guess we'll see what gold's doing here. I mean, if the 15 wasn't so messy, I would be interested in buying off this support, but the 15's too ugly. But my Bullocks account on Sunday? Do you have any discount codes? Yeah, I got a Bullocks discount code. Any Bullocks traders, I'll give you guys a discount code over here. Hang on. Any bullies? This is my 83% off code. 48 USD it's called. What's the date? The 7th. Yeah. Oh, wait. No, is that valid still? Oh no, hang on, here we go. It ends... Oh my god, it ends today. Oh, I have a 93% off as well, actually. I have a 91% off. I didn't even realize. Which ends in a week. Okay, so DCN98. DCN98. I guess fucking... Yeah, I guess there you go. If you guys are Bullinox traders. DCN98. Yeah, you can't use your own codes. I've tried. Nah, bro, you can't use your own one. Bullinox did not rug pull? Nah. Nah, I haven't Stoli, because it actually, it takes so long, bro. It really does, it takes so long, man. But I'm planning on, I've got a plan with this current account that I'm trading right now. It's pretty fat at the moment. I've got one more payout to get of it, and then I'm over that threshold, and then I'm going to get a fatty. Just out of like anger that they make it so hard. How's the lads in the community? Yeah, everyone's doing really well, man. Got a bunch of new guys joining in the community as well, which is cool. So we're starting to train up a bunch of new guys and girls. So that's the first 15 in London Open. Not much here. Buying's a nightmare. Selling's potentially cool. Yeah, buying is a nightmare, but selling is pretty cool. What's Bitcoin doing? Just at this major support level. What's Bitcoin going to do, you guys? Is Bitcoin going to come down, grab a bunch of this liquidity and then take off? Or is it going to go down and keep going down? Or is it just going to go up? It's clearly a major support level there. Might go down, then fucking see you later. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah, so let's just be patient here. Let's see what can start to cook here on gold. See what can cook here. Let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. Yeah, we'll see. We shall see. Just gonna kick TikTok in the guts. Alright, what up TikTok? Part 2. Big graph. No, I didn't go live yesterday. I was just so busy. I physically couldn't. Yeah, Kishore, like if this can close somewhat red, like I'll be potentially starting to get interested, yeah. Why don't you trade Forex anymore? Mainly just because futures prop firms are so fucking cheap. I kind of switched over. Yes, sir. We are back. What did you do instead? Oh, I had to get my fingerprints and stuff done for Dubai for residency. Yeah, I had to do some tests and all sorts of shit. But it was so far away and stuck in traffic and... Hello, I'm a Forex trader and I'm thinking of switching to futures. Do you have a video explaining contracts? And I don't. I do in the mentorship, but I would say just do it. It's so chill, man. It's not even difficult. Yeah, I would definitely say do it. What up, Yan? It's not even difficult. Do you have a car? No, I still have a rental car. It's costing me a fortune cookie. Good to have you here, Sammy. Oh, you did a lot? Yeah. Yeah. Yep. All right. So we'll just see. Get one of those affordable Lambos. Oh, fuck. Get one of those chill as freaking Bugattis. What up, Trap Top? Trap Dog. NQ's a bit of a tricky one. Does Forex still work in these times, economic crashes and stuff? Bro, what are you talking about? Swaggy D about to be the number. Yeah. What's up, guys? Swaggy D. Interested in buying the 30? I like where your head's at. The only reason I can't is because the 15's ugly. Yeah. Anytime that you choose to ignore the 15 to take a trade based on what the higher time frame's saying, you'll get in trouble. Yeah, you'll get in trouble. You know why, Graph? Because you've been in the winner's circle. You've been showing up to the live streams in the Asia sesh, the London sesh, active in the community. You are him. Are you enjoying Dubai? Yes, I'm enjoying Dubai. Bro, I wasn't live yesterday. Locked in and amongst above all else, you're connected, bro. Who liked what up too much something? Who liked this part in the Raja stream? I mean in the Raja. Who liked this part in the Raja vlog? Oh my god, TikTok's doing it again. Your live isn't eligible for recommendation as restricted search results because it contains unoriginal and reproduced content. This is in line with the For You eligibility standards. Hey bro, what? Yeah, I might have to scrap TikTok again in a second. Ready? This part with the Raja stream. We're definitely going for a swim after this. Me and Raji in the pool room. Why? Study, bro. I studied, bro. You know I studied. You motherfuckers know I studied. Alright, TikTok, I gotta shut it down. I'm live on YouTube if you want to come over there. Yeah, look at this shit. I'm live on YouTube if you want to continue the stream over there with us. Alhamdulillah. Daniel Holmes Trades is the name. Same as my TikTok name. Apparently I'm reproducing content. Get an ad blocker? Bro, I want to actually. It's actually getting so annoying. Raja dropping your podcast on Friday, I think. Yeah, I think so as well. Connect with the Tate brothers. How much did you spend on your visa and everything and setup? It's fucking expensive. It's not expensive, but it's expensive all the small things, man. And all the unforeseen expenses. Not much though, like 5-6 grand for just like the basics, and then like 10 grand with all these unforeseen things. You get a full port on top step. Set your PDL to one of this. Yeah. But yeah, with that being said, of course, we can't get too much in one day. Hey, 1,500. Does the Type 2 setup only valid when there is more than one candle retracement? What if the retracement just one candle and the next candle prints support? Yeah, there's a different scenario which we call in the mentorship the impulse Type 2, where you can just get that play. The best case scenario for an impulse Type 2 is, give me one sec, I'll draw it up in a sec, but just hang on. TikTok ended? Yeah, they've been weird. If you want it. So let's see how this candle closes. Thanks, Stunny, bro. Yeah, the best case for an impulse Type 2 is if you get a level of support and we're waiting for a break above that. Right, you're waiting for a break above that support and you're sitting there, you're patient, and then this happens, massively overextends, and you're like, oh, god damn it, there goes my opportunity to take that. But then something like this happens, where it rejects back down, and let's say it's a 15-minute time frame. This turns into a big 30-minute wick. We go, okay, we could have a target now. This wick could need to be get filled now as a target. Range has already been created. Maybe the next one looks something like this. And then without waiting for that green candle to print and close, we just take it on the break of the previous 15's high and ride it up and get that wick fill there. And that's like an impulse Type 2 play. It happens best when you get an overextended breakout and a pullback. Yeah, that's like the most highest probability scenario for it. Thanks for the code. Oh, nice. Serial killing the... Wait, really? Gotcha, Madlord. Is that for real, John? If you want it, connect, bro. No, I can't. Fuck. Yeah, we're out here killing the charts, man. So how's this 30 closing? Kind of weird. Yeah, so not like very textbook price action. We're really just going to be waiting for a break below here. I think it's going to be a really good idea. I think it's going to be one of the best ideas we could have today. Low volume, maybe. We'll see. Can kick in. We can get volume kicking in. We can get some volume kicking in. And Q's is chilling. Yep. We'll just be patient. We'll be patient. Killing is not cool, bro. They need to stop. Oh, this candle's closing here. Okay, here's this 30 closure. Yeah, I know, Iverson. I know, bro. I feel your pain, cousin. 30 looks by. Yeah, 30 looks by, but you can't ignore the 15. The 15 looks freaking like a death trap. 15 looks like a death trap. No, I've been thinking about it though. I was thinking about it today actually. I really want to buy silver. I really want to buy a long silver play. I wanted to buy silver down here somewhere. Yeah, I think silver's long position would be dope. DCA into it? What does that mean? Oh, is that unemployment as well tonight? Flash PMI. Oh, we do have unemployment claims tonight. Yeah, we got some moves tonight, you guys. And then next week we got NFP, I believe. Who's keen for an NFP stream? For Morgan. For Morgan. Non-farm payroll. Yeah, we can go full margin. Oh, dollar cost. Yeah, I don't know about anything. No, if I was gonna do it, I'll just take one big heavy position, just fucking, you know, you're either all in or you're all out. If I start like averaging into a trade and shit, that means I'm overthinking it too much. The idea is to hold a long position, just forget about it, let it do its thing. I might get in trouble if I trade NFP with the white traditional outfit on. Haram, gambling's haram, and it's essentially a gambling stream on NFP. Should I just buy one account or should I try with two at the same time? Definitely one, brother. Yeah, just to get one, David. Just get one, bro. Yep, just one. 100%. What are you looking into now? I'm looking into the near future about the possibilities. I'm looking into gold closing below this level here as the highest probability setup that could be presented during this London session. Is if gold can close below that level. That would be by far the highest probability setup that we could get here during London. No setup for sale. Yeah, London's been literally... London knows that we're here, we show up for it, so they say, hey, slow down markets because these guys are going to rinse us. Zesty fucking lip shit. It's the heat and stuff drives your lips out in these streets. Do you sleep between sessions? No. I used to think that I needed 8 hours sleep every day, but now I only sleep for like 5 hours. I'm meant to go to bed at 9:30 every night, but I never do. It's typically 10:30ish. And then I get up at 3:20. So it's not much sleep, but I'm fine. I feel fine. Says it as he's freaking literally dying on the inside somehow. Interested in a break on NQ? I don't know. I don't like it. There's definitely low volume. That's for sure. There's nothing worse than being trapped in a fucking low volume trade. Yeah. I don't think I'm interested in NQ right now. There's just not enough volume. And these ranges are just weird, like big and open. I don't think our system works too well with, or is really set up for the way that NQ is structured right here. No. Look, it's just kind of consolidating and then just impulsively moving. And if there was more consolidation, I'd be interested, but it's just this little range here. New York King. And gold is just firing on all cylinders. What career did you have before becoming a full-time trader? I was a personal trainer and an online coach for many, many billions and billions of years. And then I moved into sales, tech sales, and then gas sales, selling gas to businesses, industrial gas specifically, nitrogen, oxygen, acetylene, argon. Yeah, yep, that's correct, DJ. That's all right. Trading's already boring. Trading is boring. Like, it's not thrilling. That's why we sit down here and talk about fucking pyramids and shit, because while you're waiting for a trade, you might as well, while you're waiting for the market to like do the thing you need to see, you might as well ponder the secrets of the universe. You know what I mean? How about Earth being flat? Nah, that one's capped. That one's capped. Sounds interesting. Yeah, it was a great job. It was the exact job that I would always have wanted. But then something even bigger came into my life, and I said, you know what? I finally achieved the greatest dream job I could ever ask for. And God said, bro, you thought this was good? I've got something even better planned for you. Play Ouija board while waiting for setup. Yeah, Graph's trying to summon signals. This is NQ. There's no like read on NQ right now. The best thing you want is like, you want to understand like clear direction, like where we are. NQ's got so many conflicting things right now that I just don't have a read on it. Like what are you going to do? You could say, oh, but what about if it breaks below, like, and fucking closes below like this range here? I'm like, I don't think that would be enough for me to be confirmed that we're going to continue down. That could just be the market moving. This little consolidation range is so small that it's not providing enough information. Amen, brother. Do you plan to yeah, I plan to live in Dubai. Yeah, A+ setups only. Exactly. Every time I jump into this stream, my only thing is, my job is today just to stick to the plan. Personally, I'm like, don't get influenced by people saying, you don't trade, or people like, I'm only profitable and I keep alive in this game because I stick to my rules. I said it today on the Asia stream. I'm like, this is just a game. You've got one gun. You've got one shot in the gun. You got one shot a day and you're starving. You're out in the fucking wilderness, man. You need to eat. And there's deers and shit around, but it's dark and you've got one shot. Are you just gonna fucking, or are you gonna really focus in, sneak up on the deer, spend like the hour getting close so you've got a clear shot and use that one bullet? Yes, that's like the smarter thing to do. So that's me here. I've got one shot, man. One moment. Are you gonna capture it or are you gonna let it slip? Yo, the charts were heavy, knees weak, fucking blown account already. I'm loading up another account already. Mom's credit, Cardi. So that's how you gotta kind of gotta look at it, man. Yeah, it's not smart to ship that FPG. Oh, really, Dilawa? Yeah, I'm definitely going to go to the Egyptian pyramids. I'm going to do a stream. I'm going to do an IRL stream, I think, on Monday. I'm going to hit Raja up if he's keen. I'll come and go to the Dominican Markets office and do an IRL stream for the day. How to overcome revenge trading over and over trading. Yeah, it's a tricky one, bro. That's the first thing I would say to you, Kabir, is just know that that's what kills every single trader in the game. It's probably the only reason people fail in this game is the overtrading and revenge trading. So the first step is you got to set the rules. 2 trades and I'm done type shit. Like you got to know what your actual rules are. And then the second thing, which you're not going to like it, is you're going to have to get so exhausted from consistently losing and from breaking your rules that you either give up on trading or you stick to your rules. So first step is know where your rules are. Denemen. Yo, what up, Chris? 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all that you got to do, is just 1 to 2 trades a day. Trading once a day helps you. Yes, trading once a day is definitely going to help you. Just keep breaking the rules the rest of your life and never... What up, Pez? Love you, bro. Hope you're doing all right. Max Dillawa. Max. Bro, your rapping is sick. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Perry's the freaking rap god over here. I've taken 5 trades since last Monday, all won. Yeah. And I passed 5, halfway to passing 5. Val's nice. Much less stressful. Yeah, and that's the other thing. It's like much less stressful. Trading can already be fucking stressful. Do you really want to stress your shits out by... It'll ruin your day, man. Sit on the charts and just destroying all your accounts and doing all the dumb shit. Like, you guys know how it goes, man. Do you think you're going to be viral by... Do you think you are going to be viral by supporting Raja? What do you mean by supporting Raja? And if you mean by us hanging out, do I think I'm going to go viral? that's the weirdest thing to say, but definitely not. I'm already viral. Viral in God's heart. Yeah, nice, brother. Good man. Me and Raja could do some shit together that would be pretty viral. Hey David, I think you're a great guy and I learned so much from you. Bro, you think I'm so good that you don't even know my name? Hey David, I love you and I've learned so much from you and I just love that your name is David. One thing peed me off yesterday watching Raja live, he sounded like he wasn't interested in your podcast. Oh, what was he talking about with the podcast? What was he saying? You're not there. What was he saying with the podcast? I find that hard to believe. Stop watching videos then. Stop watching YouTube videos. I don't watch any YouTube videos anymore. Thought this was David's stream. Damn it, wrong stream. But yeah, I find that hard. I don't think that's probably true. I mean, it's not that, there's nothing that exciting to be about. You just sitting on a couch talking. It's not the most thrilling thing. Oh, I was joking on a voice note with Caesar. Oh. Zesty, what up, trades? Meow. He didn't say anything bad. How's the 4 AM session? 4 AM session happens every day, and 4 AM session was chill. Just waiting for some shit to happen, but nothing really presented. He said it's releasing on Friday. Oh, nice. What's up, you guys? It's David Trades here. Gold, get a life, bro. Guys, I think I'm going to quit trading because this is just like... Because every time I jump on the charts, the market just shits itself. It's like liquidity providers. They know what's up. They know we're here. And we're ready to snipe. Yeah, I'll go with the higher time frames in this sense today, C+. Yeah. There's nothing for me to buy up into. There's no targets. If your mother only knew. Old heads would know what that is. If your mother only knew. How does one grow in an account? Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. How does one grow an account? The question was. Love your stream, Darren. Razel, yes. Nah, I just trade this. No setup for me in Villa. Last candle and show tomorrow. Oh, K-Dub, I wouldn't leave just yet. Like, honestly, if we get a break below this, this is a good fucking setup. What's up, you guys? It's Darren Trades here. Yeah, that was... If your mother only knew. How does one grow an account? Honestly, this is the question that's plagued traders for thousands of years. And I've got the answer. I actually have the answer. Earth, fire, wind. We used to fucking do that all the time. It's so funny. Yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys have a simple answer here? How does one grow an account? Can you guys drop something in the chat? Like, what's your best piece of advice for young Jamie over here, or whatever his name was? How does one grow an account? Like, let's save some people. Let's help some people change their lives here. Got to stick to my strategy, bro. Okay, yes, good man. Water your account and it can grow with patience. Risk management. Come to the charts every day. 1 to 2 trades a day. 1 to 2 trades a day. Discipline and patience. 1 to 2 trade, high probability setups, risk management, consistency. Follow the rules, don't revenge trade. Risk only high probability setups, patience and time. Yeah, all those are the right answers. All of those are the right answers. No FOMO, 1 to 2 trades a day. Yep. Type 1, type 2, so yes. The interesting thing about trading is it's so simple, right? It's so simple, but so difficult. Because if I say to you how to grow an account, and I say, bro, you just know your system really, really well, show up for 1 session and take like 1 trade a day. And if it loses, just come back tomorrow. You'd be like, nah, that's cap. Tell us about the women in Dubai, bro. The women in Dubai, I've had the worst experience with. I'm not gonna fucking lie, bro. Everyone's scammers and wants your money and just autistic. It's so bad, bro. I can't even, it's like scarily bad. I'm gonna have to fly some chick out from freaking Colombia or something. Yep. Now with the beat and the chorus at the same time. If your mother bone when you... I feel like after you trade for a long time, you naturally start to disconnect from losses and wins. So I would say show up every day. Yeah. You want to actually become a sociopathic, narcissistic, soulless individual on the charts. Like you want to get to a point where there's just wins and losses are just nothing. You know what I mean? So I'd highly suggest looking into trying to become a sociopath or something. On the charts. Maybe I can have this like as a... to bring some life into the... That looks so fucking crowded. The beat and the chorus at the same time. I don't even know what I'm doing with my life anymore, honestly. So this candle's pushing down here. If we get a break below, I'm gonna take a trade. Now that you're in Dubai, why don't you trade the New York session? Because I get up at 3, I'll do the early session, this session, which is like 11 a.m. and then I'll have the rest of the day to do other shit. What up, big Antonio? I'm doing amazing. Where would you put your... No, the left looks clean. I'll be taking it down to this level here. This is my target here. The bottom of this support level. Just chill out, gold. Like, come on, bro. You don't have to leave, bro. You don't have to just chill, bro. And if it doesn't chill and it keeps pushing here, I'm still going to hang out because I'm going to get a trade here in London. Whether it's a type 2 pullback, some sort of impulse play. New hour soon. That's alright. I'm not too fast about the hour. Unless it was a 4 hour, but... Wow, look at all these red hour candles. This is unbelievable. Wow, that's 36 pips. It's already dropped from the fucking support line. Wow. I mean, let's just see what happens here, you guys. I'm interested in taking a trade. We'll see. Because if it comes up, if it does retrace, we can look at taking some sort of shits. And then Wickfill, we'll see, we'll see. Yo, what up, Prop XP? Prop X in the chat. XP in the chat. Prop XP goated. We have goats. Brother. 3 goats. Yeah, so we're gonna have to see what happens here. We're gonna have to see. Hopefully this can leave some sort of wick. I want to call Tory trades. Yeah. Do we DM Corey trades? Corey trades? Have I ever DM'd her before? Victoria Duke? We'll come back to that. You're on Forex. You'd be on Forex. Let's have a look at what Forex is doing. Yeah, Forex is breaking past. Oh, look at this loan. 2 funded accounts with Prop XP. Tomorrow I'll get payout. Wow. Beautiful. Why don't you wait for news today? Because I'll be sitting here for another 5 hours. Your boy's here to trade, son. Oh, do you, Chris? Dope. Sick. You got a reply from mummy? No, I got no mummy reply. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so even though this is overextended here, I'm interested in keeping my eye on this chart for some analysis for some potential new trades. Daniel scared he DM'd her. Yeah. No, I don't DM anyone, so I was only joking. Look how bearish we are today. So you know what's crazy? When we came to this chat, it was 50-50. 50% of people wanted to buy today. Or actually, somebody said 63% of people wanted to buy. Yeah, I know, Shem. So I'm going to look at some sort of retracement play here. We're going to look at some sort of play here. Wow, look at these 1 hour candles. It's going to require a bit of patience here, but I'm going to be patient here. And we're going to get a play. We're going to play today. Wow. This is unheard of. So it's already dropped nearly 60 pips from that line just randomly. Already dropped. Yeah, this is wild stuff. More war news coming out. I mean, historically, war news has pushed gold up. Asia lows. What are you talking about, bro? Asia lows are up here. You guys are obsessed with thinking price like organically moves to Asia highs and Asia lows, which I get that you can notice that, but it's like the market doesn't have an intention to like come eat you. Wow, this is crazy. This is a 120 pip candle. Thoughts on Anya trades? Wait, is that the chick we DM'd? World peace. World peace is confirmed. Confirmation just in, guys. World peace is officially confirmed. It's definitely going to break below this level. Or at least push below. Wow, what about all the guys that were holding swing trade longs? Yeah, NQ is not budging. Budget direct. Alright, here's that hour closure. Swept Asian lows, tickled Asian highs, kissed New York open, and then inverted FPG. Legit. Yeah, gold's the new meme coin. Gold's the new rug pull coin, honestly, man. This is wild. So let's see here. Now that we're overextended here, we broke below, but just kind of pushed and extended. Gonna see what type of opportunity. It's not gonna be a breakout. We're gonna get some sort of type 2 play here. 4 hour closure on Forex, is it? No. What? Shem, you're on meth. Yeah, we've got a minute here for these closures. Cool. No FOMO. We're going to get a type 2 here. It's not... Wait, Shem, it's not on futures. It's still got 2 hours on futures. Is yours really saying 4 hours? Is that? Yeah, the math's definitely kicking in. Alright, so here we go. Here's that big push down. Let's put a new level here anyway, just to keep in mind. Based on this closures. Yep. So there's clearly a target like a little bit below here, right? There's a lot of liquidity there. We might get a spike there and then push back up. So I want to see this break these lows, create some sort of, get some reaction off this. We're going to need to be a little bit patient here, but we get paid to wait. And that's just the name of the game. What are the basics of your strategy? Just find levels of support and resistance or key areas that have been respected and wait for price to either bounce off or close below or above. If it closes below or above, then we take the trade in that direction. If it bounces off, we take the trade in that direction. But you need to, like, a lot of the time you need candle closures. In this case, we're going to need to see how this 15 closes or starts to develop at least. NQ kind of pushed up here or whatever. Had that 1 hour close. Yeah. I mean, good luck if I can trade an NQ right now. Can I trust Prop XP? I want to get funded account. Yeah, do it. Yeah, I've got my Prop XP account here as well. I'm funded with them right now. I did it on live. I did it on the live stream with the mentorship guys. They all see me do it. I'm in drawdown with it. I keep forgetting to trade this. Yeah. So let's see if we can push down here, reject off, and then see if we get some sort of reaction up here. I wouldn't mind taking a little bit of a pullback trade, counter trend play, but we'll see. I'm open to whatever the market gives me. Oh yeah, it's definitely testing, like it's definitely going at least to this level. Dump day. Damn, wild. Isn't it crazy those big days of just massive push-ups just completely get retraced and filled? Completely get filled. Albert tapped into long. Wait, Albert was looking for longs? Oh, NQ's pushing. I mean, if NQ, now that we've got a bit more structure, if NQ were to close below here, I might be interested in a sell. If it were to hold below this level. One more dump incoming. Bro, I'm about to do a dump as well. The coffee. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, don't sleep on potential pullback buys, I would say. Don't sleep on potential pullback buys. Mama. Oh, that's right. We were looking at Ola, weren't we? We should. Join my stream one time. I'd love to connect. Would you be keen to connect? I want to go long. What do I say, chat? Hi bro, buy or sell? I'm banning you. I'm banning you. That's it. First person on TikTok, that was the first thing, you're getting banned. Blocked. That's it, done. Ask ChatGPT, bro? Yeah, that's a good question. Ty. In one of her videos that she's single. Yes. You got this, bro. Pour your heart out. Saying connect. Oh man. Bro, I saw a picture with you and Raj Banks. Love it. Oh yes. If I got Tory trades on my stream, I'd be so scared of what you guys say in the chat. Why'd you block that poor guy? Alright, let's see what ChatGPT says. What do I say to a trader chick that I want to come onto my stream? Fuck. What do I say to a trade chick that I want to come on my stream? Hey, Tori, I've been following your trading content and I love your vibe. I think it'd be dope to to have you on my stream sometime. We could chat market psychology, or I could just bounce off you. Yeah, let me know if you're keen. You're an inspiration to me, bro. I'm from Kenya. Oh shit, this wasn't a good time to say that. Thank you, bro. I love you. Can you do Raja mimic, please? Mimicry? 1, 2, 3, 3. Just 1, 2, 3, 3. That's what you gotta do. This is Raja blowing up a 50k account on NFP. Oh no, no, no. You guys would be second best influencer couple next to you and Raj. Just 1 to 2 shows a day. Ask her to draw. Ask her if she's keen for a jam. Bro, this is AI face. Wait, what? Get her to do the bouncing. She's done a post about wanting a man. Haha, posting this. How was your time with Raja? Did you learn anything new? Yes. Yeah, I learned some good stuff from Raja. Everyone like your YouTube stream? Yeah, you guys drop a like for the YouTube stream. You guys, can we get to 100 likes over here? It's 1,300 people being here and only 60 likes. If we can get if we can get 100 likes, I'll DM Tori. Oh my god, TikTok's doing the thing again. What does that even fucking mean? I'm gonna take a photo of it. Tell her how lonely you are as a trader and in Dubai, and let's be lonely together. Someone just said on the YouTube chat, give money. Hey bro, fix your brain. That'd be the first step. Yeah, you guys on TikTok, I'm gonna have to close this stream down again. I'm live on YouTube if you want to come over. I thought I'd give it another crack, but yeah, it doesn't want to. TikTok doesn't want to work, apparently. I'll keep it there for a second, but yeah, it's dog shit. Paul. So we've got 3 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. See what happens here, you guys. Smash that like button. Yeah, you guys on TikTok. I'm live on YouTube if you want to come over. Daniel Holmes Trades is the name. Yeah, I gave it up. That was it. It's just that error is weird, bro. What advice do you hate hearing in trading spaces because it's misleading beginners? Good question. I mean, I'm so out of the, I'm so tapped out of, like, I don't watch any content anymore, really. Anything that relates to quick wins, like you're going to get rich quick, is always a red flag. I don't know if people are doing that. Oh, yeah. FOMO sellers got cooked. I mean, the biggest advice is you got to have a fucking proven strategy. Like, none of this means anything until you have actual strategy. How to hit up a trading chick. Hey, can I make your liquidity under 2 minutes? What? Nice laser. 100 likes, DMO? No, is it really? Oh, fuck, man. I'll DM her if somebody tells me what to say. I'll DM her if somebody tells me what to say. Nah, I did Twitch for a little while and shit, but it's kind of gay. You guys, you can't, this is why you guys have no chicks. You can't say this kind of stuff. You gotta call them mummy or something, I don't know. Seems to work. Alright, so this candle's about to close in 30 seconds, we'll see what happens. Yeah, but how do I invite her? What do I say? What's up? What's up? Yo, what up, T? T-Pain? Oh my god, Frank, you're out of your mind, bro. Nah, all the girls in Dubai are the worst of all time. It's an atrocity, honestly. Probably 70% Clement. It doesn't matter if it doesn't break on Forex, John, because I'm only trading futures. Yeah, I have to pick a side. You have to pick a side. Just be yourself. My name is Daniel here. Been watching your trading journey for a minute. Was wondering if you would be interested in wanting to network, get to know each. It's too serious. Hey Tori, would love to have you on the live stream sometime. Let me know if you're keen. That's pretty good, isn't it? Hey Tori. Wink face. What did I say? Hey Tori, would love to have you on the live stream sometime. No, I didn't say that. Hey Tori. Oh, don't say that? Nah, I would have never taken that anyway, Shem. It's too early. It's still in the first minute. Hey Tori, I love you. This just fucking pulled back massively. We selling? I'd like to sell. If this can come back and do some shit. An impulse buy would have been here, but this took off like straight away. I would never have taken that personally. Hey Tori, buy or sell? Damn, not interesting. 1 hour formation. Is she in Dubai? I have no idea. Yeah, let's see here, you guys. Zero, I like where you got out there, but it sounded a little bit too bitch. Study Brown. I'll DM her in a sec. I'm just trying to get a read on this on gold here. I'm trying to get a read on gold here. GBK. No, but these people have like billions of followers. They don't even see your DMs. It's every day, bro. That's pretty good, Winchell. Legit. What do you think about Latinas? They're the best. Latinas are the goats. All right, man. Let's see. Yeah, that's the only downside to the Latinas, Shem. Unfortunately. Who's your favorite UFC fighter? There's too many. I don't have a specific favorite one. Yeah, I like a lot of them. I've always liked Ben Askren, even before all this shit happened. Now I like him even more. Yeah, gold retested the breakout level, that's right. Oh, look at this, Jason. Let's have a look at Jason Bennett's channel. Jason. You lost me, bro. You said you host live streams. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. Bro, it's so hectic, man. So hectic with Askren. Oh. Would you like it if somebody joked like that about your woman? Wait, what? Oh, fucking hell, Mike. Yeah, I'm trying to get a pulse here, you guys. Big S. I passed the Prop XP challenge pretty quick. Yeah, in under a week, I think. Would an impulse sell make sense then here if a candle breaks? I mean, I do have a strong sense that we want to at least come down to here. Yeah, maybe. I'm getting impatient, so I might just gamble. We'll see. Nah, realistically, yeah, we could get an impulse sell here. Yeah, we could get an impulse sell. Yeah. Yeah, we just pick random pickup lines. Nothing. It's not that serious. come back. I'll send like a word per minute. Hi Tori, hope you're well. It's a pretty good start. His confidence with the trades, bro. Yeah. Hey, little. Women gets. Yeah. Do you know the crazy thing is? Imagine if she ever watched this stream and was like, oh, he's got brain damage. All good. Don't say hope you're well. Oh, fuck, now you're making me overthink it. Alright, I won't say hope you're well. Because what if she's... Don't say hope you're well, because what if she's critically ill right now? And she's like, well, I'm actually not well. I'm in freaking hospital. Just found out I've got the rarest form of something. Yeah, so let's see. Let's see. Do you know my most irrational fear? Oh no. Sup, shorty trying to get fucking PC. Oh, Shem, bro. Bro, I've already fumbled it. Zero, man. That's too hectic. Alright, we've got 2 minutes here for this 30 closure. Yeah, everyone just spam Tory trades and just say Daniel loves you. No, that Instabad he didn't. Feel like gold's gonna start pushing? I mean, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe, yeah. I've already set up 56. Yeah, maybe. Tricky conditions here, man. Shem's one reminds me of that movie, that Saw movie with the thing. Do you want to play a game? Whatever, how it starts. Nothing turns a girl on more than thinking about that Saw movie. I'll figure something out. I've got a minute here for this 30 closure. Overthinking's the worst enemy, yeah. Oh, fuck. Look at this 30 on NQ. White man can jump. No, I didn't watch Final Destination movie, no. How can you tell us not to be scared to take a trip, but you're scared to send a message? Oh, did she do that dude's live stream? That's funny. Alright, I'll send her a message. Alright, ready? Check this out, you guys. How are you? That's pretty good. I live stream every day. Would love to have you join one time. Fuck off, Shem! God damn it! Is this gay? Are you trying to get friends on? Fuck! This is why I'm single. Send. They're saying I'm gay though. Okay. I can't just end it like that. Like... Stop being desperate. Someone said stop being desperate. So many insecurities just came in. All right, I'll come back to it. Stop being insecure. And with big fan. No, that's so bad. Tell her you're a simp. Fuck all of this, bro. Why am I doing this to myself? I quit. No, I quit. I quit, girls. I would love to. The world's most insecure stream. Hey Tori, how are you? I live stream every day, and my chat have been saying I should get you on. Let me know if you're up for it. All right, I'm copying this right here. I'm copying this right here. Thank you, Mac. Let me delete this. So technically, if this is gay, I didn't type this. I just copied and pasted it. Hey Tori, how are you? I live stream every day, and my chat have been saying I should get you on. Let me know if you're up for it. Sent. I'm a fucking G. Ugh. Fuck the haters. W. Yes, W's in the chat. Yes! Yes, W's in the chat. See you guys? Look at all the W. Bro, I don't even get as many W's in the chat when I fucking win a trade. Feminism is a problem. Yeah, that's the thing. She won't check her DMs anyway. I don't check my DMs barely. And she's got way more followers than I do. L. Bro, why are you putting L's? Oh, fucking hell. Never again, bro. I'm so over. That was just way... That was way too stressful. I'd rather be in drawdown, bro. I would rather be in drawdown. She was waiting for you to send that. No, we got to 100 likes. That's why I had to do it. Yeah, 124 likes here. Unsend that. Bro, why? Yeah, that's right, Macca. The dubs are technically for you. The drama's way more entertaining. Bro, I'm so stressed. That was so stressful, man. Rate her stream. Does she stream? Oh, bro, that was so bad. How do people do this kind of stuff? Don't be stressed, you did good. Oh, she streams, does she? Okay. Oh, I just did shoot my shot. I shot it. The shot has been shotted. If she doesn't reply back, I'll be like, fuck you. Haram. She won't reply to you. Yeah, I know. I know. Dubriz. You're my favorite sim. If this candle closes red, I'm taking a sell. Message and your trades. We already did that one. That one was like a glitch one. This one was a proper one. Yeah, it's the stalking channel. You gotta ask yourself, what's the probability of a candle needing to be printed green though, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 reds? Message Claudio trades. I'm just a serial chick messenger. Who's gonna make the children grow? Get Mila Khalifa on the stream? Yeah, fuck it. They're making the frogs gay. I'm not interested in longs on gold, no. Like it can totally do it, but there's no confirmation for it. Like there's nothing, you're buying into a bunch of shit. I understand there's a big trend that'll probably be, which will probably be broken and pushed through, but we'll see. She's crying out to find a good man, Tori. Oh, could you imagine how many DMs she's got now as well? Message Bonnie Blue, gross. Can we do a challenge? Whenever the likes 100 above, you need to text a stream account till you find it. Yeah, every time the stream gets to 100, you have to fucking message some chick. I can fix it. Oh, bro. Dubai's good, yeah. Dubai's amazing. Yeah, Dubai's very good. There's a lot of scammers over here, but it's very good. There's no crime, but a lot of scammers. Some dude on the street walked up to me and sold me AirPod things for like cheap as. It was all in the box, looked legit. But apparently that's a big scam over here. It's not actually legit. He had an iPhone 16 as well. I was like, this can't be an iPhone 16. Which I later found out it's not, it's a replica. Imagine she's watching, oh, how bad. She would definitely think that there's some sort of tism going on. Which she wouldn't be wrong. Yeah, 200 likes more like it, yeah. My dream is to convert a hot shit ICT trader into a price action trader and marry her. Yeah, same. I don't know if I could date a trader chick. Like, it's like trading's already stressful. Like, check the Dissy. I definitely should have sent that. Oh man, so bad, bro. Average monthly expenses in Dubai? It depends. I paid 3 months rent up front, so there's not much there. Just food, which is normal. I'm renting a car, so that's pretty expensive. And just all the normal stuff. It's just the same as anything else. Did you go to the gym today, bro? Honestly, I didn't. I was supposed to. Oh, yes, I did. No, I did. Sorry, I was meant to go to the beach, but I didn't go. I went to the gym, though. I trained calves and hamstrings. Yeah. What are you renting? A Ferrari? No, just a little get around, like just a little Hyundai cruise around car. I haven't got a car yet. Like a car. Does your rent include all the bills? Fuck, I think so. TV's got everything on it. YouTube. I don't watch TV, but it's got like all the fucking, you know, all the Hillary's a lizard. Hillary is a fucking criminal. The African Americans. You know, like Netflix and all that stuff. It's got all that. Yeah, everything can be delivered, even chicks. Let's hope she doesn't watch this one. Yeah. Yeah, let's hope she doesn't watch this one. No, I've never gone 21 days without taking a trade. Two and a half minutes for this closure. Obama would never have made the trade. It was a trade. Some would say it's the best trade. That's fucking hilarious. Obama would never have made that trade. Oh, what up, Genevieve? Hi, what are you waiting for? I think if this candle can close red with a bit of weight to it, an impulse sell maybe. Come up, retest this level. If we can retest again, take some sort of impulse type 2. It's not the hottest, but it's not the coldest. It's something, man. NQ rejecting a little bit here. 1 hour still open. Could just be a bit of support forming for the next one to push. Bro, you know about Brad Trader? No. Brad Trader, just start, 2 words. Bob Trader. Hey bro, do you know Bob? Does it make sense buying a car in Dubai? Like, is it needed? Yeah, I want a car. Yeah, I think it's not needed, but I would want a car. Yeah, but it broke that second candle that broke the first one, the green one. It did it like in the first minute of the open. I can't take a breakout like that in the first minute of a candle open. It's too unpredictable. On this episode of Autistic Trades, we sit around and talk about how the fuck we're going to send a simple message to a chick. Yeah. Ty, bro. Just buy Raja Rolls Royce. Yeah. Might be a good idea, to be honest. Ty. Looks 14, not gonna lie. Alright, so there's this fucking closure, you guys. I mean, I'm gonna give it one more candle. If this candle can fucking print red, If this candle can print red, I'm gonna, you know what I mean? I'm gonna sell, but yeah. Well. Will you be trading news? No. Like the YouTube or your... Yeah, if we get to 200 likes, I'll send an elephant to Anu Trades. I'm long from... Oh, you're long on NQ? From 366 Mafia? Oh, that's just here. Oh, fuck. Biggest fear is having a job? Yeah, it's a pretty big reality for most people. Call her. How am I going to call her? I don't have a number. So... Yeah, I don't know what we're going to do with NQ, man. Because you could say, well, the 30 broke above this level here, but then you can't ignore the 15. The 15's still got structure here that you're going to have to get through. So just, NQ can just suck a dick, honestly, right now. Should I give Dan his number? I mean, I'd love a type 2 play here, honestly. I'd love this. I think we all would. Then I could sell the shit out of it. Like this, that would be just... That would be better than Anu Trades, you know. She's gonna say yes, you give off Simple Jack vibes. Simple Jack? Hey bro. Hey bro. You know what I mean? Some dude called you David? Yeah, I know. David Trades. What's up, you guys? It's your boy David Trades back at it with another video. Yeah, I wonder if Tori's gone through what I went through to reply, yeah. Surely. Hey, make sure you guys drop a subscribe if you're not already. Subscribe to the channel. Live every day. Live stream every day on this channel, you guys. Live stream every single day. David Dobrik Trades. DD. Very tempted to take an NQ buy. With absolutely minimal logic. Yeah, if we can get this red closure here on gold, it'd be really cute. Why not on TikTok? They keep glitching out. It keeps glitching out and giving me some error saying I'm fucking imitating something or something. Try and connect with E-Man? No. In the Beninging. So we'll see. We'll see if we get a closure here. If we don't get what we want to see here, we're cooked. Yeah, we're certified cooked if we don't see what we need to see. It's not even a question. Thank you. Who's gonna pop here? If a person doesn't have discipline in life, does it affect trading? Massively. Massively. It is kind of fucking similar. That's annoying. This is my schedule. If I didn't have this schedule strict, if I break this schedule, I might as well just fucking full margin my account because it's going to reflect immediately onto my account. What does it mean a profitable trader? I think just like you got to have a lot of data. It doesn't mean you're a millionaire or you're crushing it. It just means that you're consistently on top as opposed to consistently on the bottom. What ended up having, wait, what? What ended up happening with those one-on-ones? What do you mean? I don't know yet, Mitch. That's an issue that I'm going to be facing. I'll probably end up just making content, I think. Yeah. I'll probably end up just making content because I don't... Yeah, that's a good question. It's true, Mitch. It's true, Ty. I'm edging. Yeah, this is chopped. Yeah, I literally have no idea, Mitch. Gonna have to fucking do something on Saturday, figure something out. Yeah, I've been to heaps of the malls. Yeah. There's a lot of malls in Dubai. And New York coming in a minute? New York's still got 3 hours. Analysis on gold. I mean, I'm just waiting. I'm just trying to get a little scalp, to be honest. Yeah, I would just like a little scalp. Why is it so hard for people to stick to their own rules? Because trading goes against so much human psychology. It goes against like what normal thinking. In trading, until you harden the mind to the reality that like you could take your A+ setups and they still lose, and sometimes multiple in a row, what does a human brain do? I've got to fix this. This is a problem. I need to fix the problem, not realizing that it's a statistical based game. You don't need to change anything. You just need to stick to your plan. Don't let your... The only reason people fail in trading is because they're disciplined. They get in their own head. It's a very difficult psychological game. What's the name of that candle? What confirmation? I mean, yeah, I just want to see a strong red closure, maybe engulfing this green one. It doesn't have a top week, which is a bit concerning. And it's also an hour closure. Got some support here on the hour. You want to see how I mark my gold chart? Yeah, you can throw it in the Discord. If anyone's got any analysis or anything they want to throw in the Discord. Hey, bro. It's pinned in the chat, the free Discord link. If you want to join the Discord community. What's concerning about not having a top wick? Just the fact that like a top wick represents price, at least giving it another stab, right? Giving it a stab and just rejecting. You've got a bit of clean traffic here. But if price moves like this, I'm going to take an impulse sell down here at the break of this bottom wick on the 1 hour. I'm going to base the trade off the 1 hour. What book you recommend? I recommend Think and Grow Rich and The Best Loser Wins. Yeah, I think those are good choices. Yeah. The reality is with showing up for London session, like, you know, I'll usually show up for like an hour and a bit, and a lot of the times don't get a setup, but you know, a lot of the times you have to fucking wait around for a couple of hours, to be honest. It's unfortunate, but it's just what it is. Yeah, Think and Grow Rich is great. You know, there's a lot of guys that study the brain say that your brain doesn't understand the difference between what you think and visualize to what's actually real. So you really want to create the scenario that you want in life in your mind first. Build that life in the spiritual realm first, and then put the action in, the work. And if you've got God on your side as well, it can help bring it all into fruition. Chapter E onto the Bible, the book of Daniel, actually. I'm not even up to Jesus yet. Jesus! I'm not sleep deprived. What if I don't believe in sleep deprivation? Am I sleep deprived then? I'm fine. I feel fine. Do you have any bad habits you want to fix? No. No. My only bad habit is scrolling too much sometimes. I get stuck on my phone a bit too much sometimes. Yeah, I've eliminated all bad habits, but yeah, there's new ones that always try and tempt you, and scrolling will get you. And getting caught in negative thoughts sometimes. That's all. Play the Jesus. You spin me right round, Jesus, right round. Like a record, Jesus, right round, round. All right, so this hour close like this, I'm full mark. Full Morgan! Sell stops of of 135. Could you imagine if it just impulsively pushed down? Is he really united? No, he's not. So that's where Jesus gets introduced then. Like, wow, I didn't know that. Oh, I've got some one-on-ones coming up here. Yeah, okay. So I've got to finish up after this trade. All right, man. If we get a top wick here, I'm going to put a sell stop at the break at this low here and see if we can get a bit of a push. You know, we're moving down aggressively. The 1 hour's finally created a bit of support. Price has come up, retested, pushed back down. Doesn't look like it wants to borrow of going back up. And I think if it breaks below this point, there's a pretty high probability that it's going to push for a little while. Oh, fuck. I accidentally just opened up an order. I meant to press sell stop. Yeah. Like a record, Jesus, right round, round, round. Oh, what's this? Yeah, nothing was playing. I didn't even realize. Easy, prof. Steady man. So yeah, I'll see if we can get a little push here. See if we can get a little push. Yeah, I was just looking at the stop loss. Bit of a tricky one. Probably gonna have to be pretty steep. $46 pips or whatever. Price bit overextended? Nah, sweet. No. Like a record, Jesus, right, round, round, round. Bro, I slept from 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. Is that bad? Yes. You have no music? No, there's music. The strong support to the left is a little bit below that. So the idea is if it breaks below, I'm anticipating price to fill some of this range down here, right? I believe that price will fill some of this range down here. And if it can push past this hour support here, it should give us at least a good push. Yeah, I think there's a case for it to give us at least a good push. Are you worried about bouncing off again? Nah. Nah, it's sweet. Even if it does, it's all good. Should be right. Like a record. Yeah, just trying to go with the trend a little bit. Coming down strong, create a bit of 1 hour support and see if we can get another pop. I'm anticipating some of this range down here to be filled. So TP would just be down here a little bit. 30 pips or something. 40 pips, 50 pips. Close some, let runners run. Pretty hard stops for above the current candle hour current hour candle wick. Sell reason because of already melting. Yeah, something like that. It can wick down and come back up again. Yes. Yep. Definitely. Defo. Make sure you guys drop a subscribe on the channel, live here every day. Live every day. Like you wouldn't believe. Like activate your order and come up. Yep. That's trading, my dude. Are you worried about the 1 hour support on the left? Nah, we've already tapped into the 1 hour support. Like if it comes back down to that 1 hour support, I think there's a decent probability that it comes below. I think the way that the market's structured here now, there's a decent probability for it to just push below. Like give us a strong push. I'm not looking to hold for 10 years. I'm just looking for a little push. Grab some stops and shit. Yeah, nice. Nice deal. It will fill the 4 hour wick on Forex candle. Let's have a look at the 4 hour wick on Forex candle. Oh, nice. Oh, this is a new 4 hour candle on Forex as well. Wow. Long stream, I know, bro. I know, man. Crazy. This is a new 4 hour candle on Forex. No, we're not out the session. We're still in the session. This is still London Open. How's this low volume time? What are you talking about? It's literally London Open. Yeah, I know. Yes, crazy. Hey. Oh, Bitcoin just rejected. Yeah, if you guys don't like the trade, don't take it. Don't take it. It's just a little scalpy scalp. It's not that deep. Like a record, Jesus. Yeah, so let this candle cook a little bit here. Would you consider this a B plus? No, I consider this an A plus. I would consider this a B plus. I would consider this a whatever's in between B and A. Nah, I couldn't take it as a T2 on the 15 because the distance when you're taking type 2s and like this is always your take profit point for the candle bodies at the bottom. And the entry would have been there, so the distance there is too small. Yeah, the distance was too small. Yeah, it's an A minus. Do you still do backtesting? Not a ton, but it's also because I've been locked out of the software which I would do it on. But I just got entry again, so I'll probably just do some simulation sessions for the crew. Yeah, do some sim sessions. Yeah, we use MT5 simulator. I'd highly suggest that you get MT5 simulator if you're a trader. Yeah, I would suggest you get MT5 simulator if you're a trader. All right, so let's just wait for this candle to close now, because it's about to close in 2 minutes. And look how the new one opens up and then re-enter. Don't want to be stuck in the open of a new candle, that's all. What do you mean? How is it a bad time in the market to enter? It's literally London Open. I don't understand why everyone's stressing out. Zero, I just go to London Open with backtesting and just go to the session that I would usually trade. Yeah, what's wrong with the middle of London? It's a high volume, London Open. Like the London session is a high volume session. It's not literally like just volume at the open of the session. Then you're manifesting to become a profitable trader and move to Dubai like you, bro. Brother, that's what I did, and look at what happened. But you got to show up every day as well, that's the thing. Yeah, you have to match with manifestation with action. You never seen volume after 1 hour? Well, then you haven't been watching close enough. I mean, it's breaking below this level here, which is cool, like a type 1 setup. There's a bit of structure here. I might even take this as just like a normal type 1 play. There's a lot of shit over here though. Both, Doom. Both, my dude. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know, you guys. I'm getting impatient. The time? 1:15 p.m. See if this breaks below here, potentially the type 1 just breakout play here. It's a bit overextended from, I don't really like when it moves all the way up from up here, but we'll see. Alright, there's that break below. As impatient as I feel, I'm still going to wait to see what I need to see, which is a retest. I almost like that it's red now. Like if it can create a bit of a bottom wick, then flip green again, and then re-break its own wick, that'd be fucking amazing. David. Oh wow, big move. Now if we can retest and then flip again, I'll be interested. You want to ask for a bit more when it's like kind of extended like this. Don't ever feel like bad about asking for more from the market. Like whenever you enter a trade, you're like, oh, and you're entering, you're thinking like this in your head, oh, like I would have liked to see this. You're already playing a bad game then. Just wait to see exactly what you need to see, man, honestly. And if you don't see it, just let the other unprofitable traders cry about it. I'm gonna need to see a bit of a retest. Yeah, I'll probably go here though. Let the market. I like that. Yeah. Yep. This was that hour play I was kind of looking for. Yeah, I don't know, you guys. I got to go in a minute. This is just annoying. It is what it is. When you got these candles here kind of overextended like this, and then it breaks out, and you get a fucking bitch ass retest like this, it's just what it is. I wanted to take an hour impulse, but I was at least expecting some sort of retest on this 15. Love the vlogs with Raja. Yeah, hopefully get some more in there. Let's say move 10 pips. Yeah. Oh, you end up shorting it? Yeah, look, I wanted to take this based on the hour, but with that new 15 opening, it's like, you know, you still got to stick to the rules, which is you want to see at least a retest of a break of a key level. Yeah, Oxygen Gym's pretty expensive. All right, you guys, I got some one-on-ones to jump into anyway. I'll be back tomorrow. I appreciate you guys for jumping on. Stay safe. We've got red folder news tonight, so trade safe, and I'll catch up with you guys on the stream tomorrow, all right? Love you, gang. Love you, gang. I'll talk to you tomorrow. See you guys.